Pontnewydd Park is easily accessible by public transport with bus stops not far from park entrances. There is a good accessible car park with disabled spaces, although these can be a bit hard to spot and could do with being repainted. On entering the park from the car park, there is some signage and information. However, this is very high so that it can be seen above the hedge, making it hard to read.
So one of the questions on there is about information, isn't there? Tom and I normally read the information boards. Tom, do we think we can read that information board up there? But what do we think about when we look at information boards? We look at the size of the writing, yeah, and we look at the background colours of the writing against the background if they're contrast. This blue one and the white isn't too bad, is it? No. Do with being a bit bigger. Yeah. And if we look at that information, especially the park users guide. Yeah.
It's quite small. There are plenty of bins around the park, and these can be used for all types of litter, including dog poo. Bins can be found by all entrances to the park. Generally, the paths around the park are smooth and accessible, and the audit team found these easy to walk on and to explore the park. There is a children's play area at Pontnewydd Park, and this has an accessible roundabout for wheelchair users. The benches at the park also have spaces for wheelchair users and are surrounded by tarmac so that wheelchairs can access them easily. This was something that the audit team were very impressed by, and they would like to see more accessible seating like this at other green spaces in Torfaen. There are no toilets at Pontnewydd Park. There is also no cafe. The park does have a bowls club, but this isn't generally open to the public. Pontnewydd Park runs alongside the Monmouthshire and Brecon Canal, and it has an accessible viewing platform for people to be able to see and enjoy the canal, especially the ducks. Since completing our original audit, Pontnewydd Park have had a new multi-games area developed where the tennis courts used to be. This is accessible to all the community and can be booked by using the QR code to get a code to unlock the gate. The audit team agreed this is a great addition to the park. Pontnewydd Park is a great place to visit, and we hope one day it will be able to have some accessible toilets so that people can stay all day.